Hi guys, I have a little project in mind that I need a bit of cardboard for. These are the cardboard trays that came with some pizzas, and they're a little bit thin for what I want. So what I'm going to do is glue the pair of them together, put a weight on them to flatten them, and then we'll come back later and you'll see what I have in mind. Just thought I'd do this while we've still got a bit of natural daylight. Looks like we've just about run out of that. There, and then heavy weight on top, and we'll come back some other time and make use of it. So my cardboard discs are glued together now, so they're a bit stiffer and a bit thicker. So I now need a sharp knife, something to poke a hole through. Couple of CDs that I've already used before, so they've got my 3D printed hubs on them, but you could just as easily use bottle caps. Drinking straw, and a bamboo cane or barbecue skewer, and a cutting board. Now you could make any design you like. I'm going to do a Grandad is an old man logo. Which is basically, we need this to be small enough. Yeah, we should be alright. We'll find out. Oh, we need some weights as well. Yeah, thinking about this. Yeah, it needs to be here somewhere. I'm thinking in my head as I'm doing this. So my Grandad logo, bearing in mind I've got to cut this out, there's no point in making it too small. So you have to have a thicker neck than normal. There's an arm coming out. And here there's walking stick. Now, walking sticks have to be thicker than normal. Something like that. Okay, so I need to cut that out. any design would do. I just happen to be doing Grandad. Right, and we do want that to be pretty straight. I wonder if this super glue's any good. When it's been laying on the table quite often, it's gone off. It's leaking. Try and line that up. Have you guessed what we're doing yet? Right. Okay. So we're almost there. Could chop that off a little bit. We need some weights. Well, he works. I did underestimate how much weight I might need to make him balance. He's actually got two 9-volt batteries glued to him because he needs to stand upright. So all the weight has to be below the pivot line. But once he's going, he can rock backwards and forwards. And he works fine. Just made him a little ramp, a bit of cardboard and a box. And we just let him go down the ramp. And away he goes. thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.